On this video, let me share with you how I was able to passively earn $5,000 with Clickfunnels. So if you want to know how I did that, I invite you to stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how. All right, so let me do a little bit of housekeeping here. If it's the first time on my channel or on one of my videos, well, welcome. My name is Billy Nellis, and I'm a full-time online entrepreneur helping others to have 4-figure days online with affiliate marketing. So if affiliate marketing is what you're about, making money online, working from home, that's what my channel is all about. So I invite you to subscribe by hitting the big red button right now, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get instant notifications for when I upload new videos. I do so on a weekly and daily basis, and I don't want you to miss out on any of my content. Now, if you've been on my channel before, or if you watch some of my other videos, well, welcome back. Now, how did I make $5,000 passively with Clickfunnels? Here it is. As you can see where my cursor is right now, I just crossed that milestone. So what ended up happening is that the first time that I started using Clickfunnels, I was previously using the WordPress websites. You know WordPress, right? If you haven't heard of WordPress, it's a platform that allows you to create websites for blogging, but you can still create some funnels on there. And I used to use it with a plugin called OptimizePress. And nothing against OptimizePress, I actually still have the plugin right now, but it would bug a little bit. So, and I would have to use the platform in a way that I would have to remember all of my links when I create funnels. Just like, say, for example, if you have a pile of clothes and you want to, put an outfit together, you'd have to go through the pile of clothes and select the items that you want to wear versus having it, all hang out, very well structured. And okay, your pants are here, your shirts are here, your socks are here, right? So it's a little more structured if you have it hanging than if it's all in a pile of clothes that are all mismatched, right? So this is what I made the switch. And ever since I made the switch, what I did is I came onto the platform and I had a team with me with another opportunity. And what did I end up doing is I created a funnel within the platform that I would use for that opportunity. And all that I did is I shared the exact funnels. And that's what's cool also with Clickfunnels that I couldn't do with OptimizePress is share the funnels that I've made with a share code, right? So with one click, I can go ahead and share a funnel that I created inside of Clickfunnels, and it automatically gets cloned in the other person's account that I shared that code with, right? So I shared my funnel that I create for that opportunity to some of my other team members, and within a month of me using Clickfunnels, it was paying for itself, and it's been paying for itself ever since. I'm about to hit the 2-year mark on the platform. It's been absolutely amazing, and I kind of hit the milestone with that. So every single month I have a few of my team members that are still using the service. That just proves that any person that is running an online business needs that software to effectively market online with sales funnels, right? To create pages that will allow you to, lead generation, capture leads, sell products online. Even if you're doing affiliate marketing, this is a software that is recommended to use to help build your list and your asset for the years that are going to come in your journey as an entrepreneur online. And this is how I was able to generate an extra $5,000 with very minimal efforts. I think right now I have about 7 people that are active on the platform that I referred, and the affiliate platform with Clickfunnels is free. You can be an affiliate for free for Clickfunnels, and when you refer people, you build yourself a passive income, recurring income that is going to come month after month when people are active on the platform. So recently I said to myself, wow, okay, so I generated all that extra income. The software has been paying for itself. Why not build that stream up as a passive income stream that will pay me as I'm going along, right? And when you refer 100 people on this platform, you actually get the Dream Car Award, where they pay some money towards your dream car, right? And if you hit 200, they double that price, right? I believe for the 100 members that you refer that are active, you get $500 towards your lease on your dream car. And for 200 members that you refer onto the platform, they pay you $1,000, and that will be on top of the residual that you're already getting on the platform. So that's pretty cool right there. And you can be an affiliate for all of their products. All right. So this is pretty much how I did it, right? Very minimal efforts. I hit the $5,000 milestone right there. I'm aiming to go to 10, but really my goal is to go to 100 so that I can get the Dream Car Award and moving forward. And I want to bring some people with me, because when you go through my link and you get your trial, for example, and you become an affiliate, they have a free training, and I'm going to leave a link to it right underneath this video in the description box, that you can be a part of a free super affiliate training that shows you how to be an effective, how to be a super affiliate, and how you can possibly retire in 100 days by doing and implementing the strategies they share within that training, right? Through the link that I'm going to leave right underneath this video here, right? So I want to bring some few people with me, and I share some bonuses on top of the training that's already there, like a 3.5 and 3.5 plus hour training that shows you exactly how to use Clickfunnels, share codes and funnels and email templates that can plug into any business. I also have a funnel that has a bunch of opt-in pages that you can use as an affiliate for Clickfunnels. So you just plug them away. And what's cool with those opt-in pages is that they integrate with the pages that were already created for Clickfunnels, right? So it's consistency and congruence is really important when you do affiliate marketing. So if you create an opt-in page that matches the page that you're promoting, that's good right there, because if somebody goes to that page before they go to and if somebody goes to that page and then they go to the next page, it just looks all congruent. And this is what the effect that you want to create, especially if you're going to be an affiliate promoting other products, services, or softwares that other people are going to use. So this is how I want to go about it. So hopefully you got a little bit of value from my video. Hit the thumbs up right now if you appreciate what I just shared with you, and leave me a comment below. Maybe you want to leave me some feedback. Maybe you have questions or concerns about this. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to know more about affiliate marketing, making money online, working from home, being your own boss, being a full-time online entrepreneur. And of course, I'm going to leave links below so that you can know how you can start your journey to be an affiliate for Clickfunnels, and to start building yourself some recurring income with the platform. But you can also claim your free trial for Clickfunnels in the event that you want to use the platform to effectively market your business on the internet. All right. So with that said, I'm going to sign out now. This was Billy Anellis here, and I'll see you on the next video.